Rotator cuff-related injuries and shoulder impingement are incredibly common overuse injuries. Whether it's swinging a tennis racket, throwing a baseball, or working in a job that requires prolonged overhead positions, these populations are at a heightened risk to develop muscle imbalances. These muscle imbalances can overload the shoulder, which in turn responds with inflammation. Dr. Todd Ellenbecker has spent his career working with and researching overhead athletes, rotator cuff injuries, and other pathologies of the shoulder. In his many years of experience, he's found that there are several things that should not be done when treating these shoulder injuries.
One of them is heavy lifting, and that's oftentimes what people do, is they think, oh, my shoulders hurt, therefore I should start doing some weightlifting, I should start doing some exercises, and oftentimes they either do overhead lifts or traditional fitness type exercises, or they use heavy loads, and both of those actually overload the shoulder and oftentimes make people worse.
Dr. Ellenbecker doesn't just choose any old exercises to rehab his patients. He utilizes movements that are research proven to yield high levels of muscle activity without putting the shoulder in positions where the surrounding tissue is in a great deal of stress.
The exercises we chose to use the CLX were specifically chosen based on EMG studies. EMG studies are performed that basically tell us exactly how active the rotator cuff muscle tendon unit is. And so we place the shoulder in certain positions and we move in certain directions where we know the muscles are going to fire at a pretty high level. The EMG actually tells us exactly how high the level is that these muscles contract at. And so if we use an exercise or movement pattern where the muscle is very, very active, we're then going to stimulate the muscle so that we can get a strengthening response.
Rest assured that you're in good hands with Dr. Ellenbecker. Here are the top TheraBand CLX and FlexBar exercises straight from the master himself.